The new becomes the old. The new people, the new language, the new school, all of which I was scared of when I arrived in Prague 7 years ago, are now becoming my past. And with this, I graduate high school and start my journey at university. And before I do that, I want to show my gratitude to this place and the people who shared it with me. So here's to Prague and for what's to come.
I used to think that the zigzag path of life would sort of plateau out when I left high school, when I became an adult. That I would get to a place where I had both knowledge and wisdom. And while I like to think that I have a little of both, what I really have is a lot more humility in the face of how much I don't know. Very few things in life are certain or constant. Kafka seems to think that the larger world is indeed contained in the little world, and you only need to turn inward to find and grasp the big picture. Montaigne thinks you need to get out of your bubble in order to gain what he calls a marvelous clarity. So which is it? How do we become adult-like? Do we turn in or do we go out? I don't know. There are many paths forward, each as individual as you are. And you're gonna have to figure things out for yourselves, and you will. Of that, I have no doubt.
They say it's a matter of time, 1,000 days and the sun won't shine before I come back to you. When I'm happy, nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home, I'm making my way. For your love I will go far, I wanna be wherever you are. I know I'm coming back for you. Our love is a river long, the best ride in a million wrongs. I know I'm coming back to you. And I'm happy, nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home, I'm making my way. I go solo, oh I go solo. I'm making my way home, I'm making my way. and I'm happy. Nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home. I'm making my way. I go solo, oh, I go solo. I'm making my way home. I'm making my way.